So at Mushroom Planet Farm, we grow mushroom organically, edible mushroom, medicinal mushroom. This particular mushroom I'm with this evening is called oyster mushroom. Okay, this is oyster. This is oyster. There are different type of oyster mushroom. This is a white type, where I have the brown type here. Some call it gray, but this is white. We have blue oyster, there's yellow oyster, there is pink oyster. But in Nigeria here, these two are the one that we cultivate here in Nigeria. This is brown oyster, this is white oyster. Okay, at Mushroom Planet Farm, we produce this commercially. So if you will be interested in being our